with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, we kept that hot streak alive one more day. Temperatures this afternoon topping out in the low 90s in Springfield. So our 90-degree streak is now up to 7 days. But this is the last one, folks, because starting tomorrow, we're going to be looking at a wetter and cooler pattern. Now, on radar right now, we're already finding wetter conditions. We had a few isolated showers in and around Springfield, especially on the west side and northwest side of town. That activity has since faded, but off to our northeast, we find a bigger cluster of showers and thunderstorms impacting areas from Lebanon right up I-44 through Waynesville and into Rolla. And there's actually quite a bit of lightning with this activity. I think that's the big weather risk with this activity is lightning and also locally heavy rainfall. Outside of that, we're really not finding much in the area. We look off to the west, though, and we find that conditions are turning rather stormy across parts of Colorado and western Kansas and in Nebraska. In fact, we've got a tornado watch in effect for parts of eastern Colorado and a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of western Kansas. That is the upper level storm, which is going to impact our area by tomorrow afternoon and overnight tomorrow night. And that's going to help set the stage for a much wetter picture across the Ozarks. Now, for tonight, outside of an isolated shower threat through early evening, and this is outside of that cluster of storms up near Rolla, we should find warm and quiet weather conditions with mostly clear skies. Now, tomorrow, I think we're going to start off with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, but clouds are going to quickly bubble up, and during the afternoon, we should find scattered showers and thunderstorms developing across Arkansas and Missouri. And then further west, we should find a more organized line of storms developing along this cold front. Now, overall, I think the severe weather threat is rather limited, but there's probably going to be some isolated severe storms that could produce some wind and hail, mainly in association with this cold front, but we could also find maybe an isolated severe storm out ahead of that front that generates a little bit of wind or hail. So here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, isolated activity fades away overnight tonight with mostly clear skies developing. Tomorrow, I think the morning hours, mostly dry. There could be a few showers or maybe even an isolated thunderstorm that tries to pop up by mid to late morning, but most areas are going to be dry through the morning. After lunchtime, though, I do expect more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity developing across the area. And then off to the west, we should find, again, that more organized line of showers and thunderstorms that will spread east Wednesday night across much of the Ozarks. And it looks like through 7 o'clock, and this is just through 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, most areas will pick up some rainfall. Nothing too terribly heavy, but some rainfall. Temperatures tonight, they'll range from the upper 60s to the south to, looks like low 70s to the north, about 71 in Springfield. Highs tomorrow should not make it to 90 in most spots. There could be a few thermometers here over the eastern Ozarks which make it to 90 degrees, but I think areas to the west, we're looking at highs in the mid to upper 80s. A 7 on our color radar. The pattern beyond Wednesday also looking rather unsettled. In fact, we've got a big upper level storm which is going to make its way into the Ozarks on Thursday, and I think there may be an even better chance for at least some severe weather across Arkansas through especially eastern Missouri. This would be Thursday afternoon into the evening hours, so I'll be keeping close tabs on that. It also looks like cooler weather by Thursday with highs only in the low 80s. Still a few showers and thunderstorms possible on Friday with highs in the low 80s. A much better chance, I think, for scattered showers and thunderstorms at times through the weekend.
Okay, keep the umbrella handy, which is a good thing. We need the rain. What is our Viewers Club number tonight? That
number tonight is 151-780, and our jackpot's up to $400.
All right, Jamie, thanks. Up next here at 5, President